So far today, we've been doing a little better than yesterday. Got up pretty early and went for a shortish hike with our coffee, and saw some wildlife.
I would say that hike was just about all I could handle in terms of ankle fitness with my sprained ankle, and then having been unwell for the last 6 weeks. I would say you really picked a loop that was appropriate for level, and it was enjoyable because of that. So good on you, man. It's like the squirrel nut from Ice Age.
Well, you can't take it with you, but you can hold on to it for a minute.
You see the leaves moving on the camera?
I can see.
Yeah, that's a mom and a baby. We should keep going.
Wow. That is a mama bear and a baby bear 50 feet off the ground in the tree. Who's eating acorns at the top of that tree?
Nature, exciting.
So what was your first clue something strange was happening?
Well, I walked under that tree and I got pelted by a bunch of acorns, and I was like,
The squirrels are active today.
that's unlucky. And then I was like, oh, well, look at all these shredded green branches. And then I heard something and you told me it was a campground, and I was like, huh, okay. And then there's a big smear of bear scat. And I was like, So I looked up because I thought the acorns were after me. And lo and behold.
Yeah. A family of bears in a tree. But like not just right there, like way up, like.
Yeah, like really up high.
Yeah. 40, had to be 40, maybe more feet in the air.
Is this like one of those deals where it's a fish and you're like 50 feet? No, 70-foot whale.
Yeah,
no, it was megalodon.
The tree was 3 feet thick at the ground.
That thing is hanging off your hat.
Spiders?
I don't know.
Free spiders.
I'm gonna wipe it on you, whatever it is.
All right. Don't.
Alright, don't twist your ankle on this or.
Successfully froggered that side to side.
Look at this.
I think those are the rhododendron roots. I hear the cardinal. So loud. I don't know why that cardinal lives out here. There aren't even any car mirrors to attack.
Look at the red ground.
It's just a red clay.
Yeah. Look, another level of them up high.
Wow.
Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell for more Airstream Wheeler content. Whew. Not a hard hike, but hard for me. After being sick for the last 6 weeks, I need to get back into shape. Feels good though. It's like a good tired, good sweat. You don't see trees that big just everywhere anymore.
No, it's a huge tree. I wonder if it's just deadfall they repurposed for the bridge.
Look at that. What do you think this is like when it's blooming? It's like a fairy forest.
This is another fun bridge. It's just half a log, huh? Just follow the stream. It's just a wall of rhododendrons in both directions. Broken limb. Broken limb. All these broken limbs and acorns are the aftermath of the bears that were way up this tree when we came through before. The large oak tree right there. You can see that there's a bunch of broken limbs perhaps up in there as well.
Definitely as close as she looks. Oh, bears, turkeys, hawks, salamanders, and butterflies.
Heard a woodpecker, but I didn't see it. Preserve the ankle to the bitter end and we'll be okay.
I smell bacon. We should eat some breakfast.
It's about breakfast time. It's about breakfast time. In the Great Smoky Mountains, nothing's really flat, but I guess it wasn't aggressively uphill or aggressively downhill. So
it was, like I said appropriately. Yeah. We are cutting through Gatlinburg on our way to our second Great Smoky Mountains National Park stop.
Yeah.
And
it's a bit of a compromise to not spend 2 or 3 nights in the same place. We did kind of want to get to the other end of the park to make forward progress, because this is a road trip in addition to it.
Right, we're picking up and meeting people so that we can help them relocate, but we decided to try and enjoy ourselves on the way. I feel like a lot of times you and I just sort of, I don't know, push on because it's what we need to do, and we don't slow down and explore as much as we should, because we're not unemployed or retired, we're self-employed, and so when it's like that, you know.
This is your right turn.
My right hand turn?
Yep.
Thank you. Making time and slowing down can be
This may be a tight corner.
difficult. I need you to spot me.
Yep. You're good. You're good. You're good. Still good. You're way away from that curb. This is not a very big road, is it?
Yikes. Lots of Jeeps doing, like, activities. Whoa. You know.
This just got steep.
Oh my gosh.
This guy behind us with a U-Haul trailer, so it's not like nobody's up here with. Just mind the edges.
Manually downshift.
There's a sharp corner and then it's straight to a stop sign.
Oh man.
Alright, straight down.
So I felt like going up that it was, you know, tight and sort of steeply graded, and so I downshifted.
Left, please.
Can you support those beverages, please? I feel like on this grade we could
If they have a stop sign, I think you're clear to go.
Do not fall off the road here. Wow.
There's the white line and then there's drop-offs.
Goodness.
Okay, this is a little windy. I think I skipped over that and then the driving directions auto-corrected back to it.
I'm not loving this,
Nope.
truthfully.